Should you sit on a bid or should you slap that ask? If you have no idea what I'm saying, stay tuned because we're going to cover both of these situations and when they should apply to you when trading stocks. Own the Chaos starts now. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Own the Chaos. My name is Brad, and I have a community that I've created. It's called We Trade HQ. I encourage you to check it out. It's absolutely free to join. It's basically just a community that we've started for folks who are looking to trade in the stock market and have no idea what they're doing. The great part about the community is that it's not just filled with a bunch of people that have no idea what they're doing. We have folks from all walks of life, from all different stages within their trading career, and it's a great way for people to just kind of pick their brains and see what's going on. We got people that have been trading for 20 years. We got people that have been trading for 20 minutes. So it's a great community. It's absolutely free to join. We do offer some paid services. You're welcome to check those out as well, but you're under no obligation to do so. So let's go ahead and get started now that I've gotten that out of the way, and talk about what it is to make a bid order or an ask order. Now, this is something I haven't covered in a while, but I've just recently started to get more questions about it. And so I thought I'd just cover it real quick with you guys today. And I thought the best way to do that would be to go ahead and share my screen and kind of show you what I mean. So here we go. Okay, guys, so if you're visiting for the first time and you're looking at the screen here, what you're seeing is WeTradeHQ.com. Again, it's the community that I've built. You can join for absolutely free. Check it out. What we have here is a lot of great tools, and it's a community where people can chit-chat about whatever tickers they are interested in purchasing and collaborate with each other, find some great ideas, and just kind of see where things are headed. So what I have pulled up here is RETC. I'm using this as an example today to describe why, when, and where I would use a bid order situation or slap the ask situation. What I mean by that is the spread of a stock. So when you're looking at the spread, and I'll go ahead and pull it up here for you, the platform that I use when I'm looking at doing due diligence and looking at scanning and stuff like that is Equity Feed. You can check out Equity Feed. It's a great tool that I use as well. But what I want to show you here is when you're looking at the price of a stock, you see the bid price and the ask price. These are the prices that you're going to be able to make orders on when it comes to limit orders. So for the situation that we're talking about here, if I'm looking at the chart here on WeTradeHQ.com, I'm looking to see, do I see any good support levels to possibly make an add or an entry level to this particular stock. And I did that yesterday. So when I saw that there was a lot of accumulation going on around RETC yesterday, it started to bounce from 0053 and come back down a little bit below 0050 area and just start to come back up here, there, and everywhere else. So if I'm looking at this, I see, okay, it looks like I can find a good support at 0054, 0055. I already had some of a position here at 0047, and I was looking for a space to add. So I put an order in at 0054 because I saw that there was a lot of accumulation going on around in that area and a support level to back that up with. So I put that order in at 0054, and for me, I wanted to be as patient as possible with this stock. I didn't want to chase anything. Should it run, then it was going to run without me, and I already had a position in this anyway, so it wasn't going to be a big deal. You got to try not to get too greedy with these things. If you miss an opportunity, you miss an opportunity, and that's it. Always go on to the next one. So for me, I just sat on the bid and waited it out. I wanted to go ahead and stick to my plan and be disciplined enough to know that I wasn't going to settle for anything more than paying 0054 for that stock, for that average up, if you will, on RETC. So was it a good decision? You tell me. Right now it's 2:26 p.m. on October 19th. Yesterday I bought in, added to my position at 0054. So now I am, my average price on this stock now is at 0050. We saw highs of a penny and slightly above a penny here, as you can see. So I've doubled my money. sticking to a plan is essential, guys. When you're looking at something like this, you tell yourself, okay, you know, how am I going to maximize profits? And the way that you maximize profits is that age-old saying of buying low and selling high. So I wanted to get in at the lowest price possible. If I didn't get in at that lowest price possible, I had to be okay with that and accept that it was going to run no matter what I wanted to do with it. That's just how it goes sometimes within the OTC. If it kept on running, I would have had to been happy with what I had. It's so important to just have that discipline to not chase, because if you're chasing, by the time I got up to this penny range, it was already too late for you to try to make another entry, in my opinion. You know, you could have maybe made a case for a small day trade or a quick flip on it, some kind of scalping perhaps, but that's just not my style of trading. I like to get in at the lowest price possible. It's what's called bottom feeding. I like to get in as low as possible so that I can maximize my profits with the least amount of capital. So that's what it meant here. Now, if, say for example, if RETC came out with some crazy astronomical news that would have driven the price of this stock way higher than 1 penny, or 0091 as we're looking at it right now. And yes, that is a real number. It's up 65%. So when I'm looking at this and say they come out with some crazy merger news and I know it's going to fly past, maybe if I want to guarantee myself some sort of entry, I'm just going to slap the ask no matter what. I'm going to get back in. I'm going to get in on this ask price, and I don't care because I know that I'm going to make money no matter what. It's either I get on this bus or it's going to leave without me. You know, maybe. Now, I know that sounds a little bit contradictory, but if your risk tolerance is a little bit higher and you know that it's a catalyst that's going to really send a stock 9 times out of 10, such as merger plays, serious acquisitions, that sort of thing, paying off debt, then, you know, just to ensure yourself some sort of position, then maybe it would be appropriate to get in on that ask price. So for those of you who struggle with this, you know, and have smaller accounts, have a tighter risk tolerance, I would always suggest trying to get in at the very lowest price possible. Rare instances should you be slapping the ask price if you're looking to play the types of strategies that I do. And what that does is it lowers your risk for taking loss. If you're getting in at a bid price and you're just waiting for that price to get down there on, you know, on this support level, then you're doing the right thing. You're trying to minimize risk. You're getting in at a point to where a lot of people, such as yourself, are looking at this chart and saying, okay, it looks like folks aren't trying to get it down below 005 or 0055 as I have here, and perhaps I'm going to try to make an entry to minimize the risk of loss. That's what we're trying to do, trying to minimize the risk of loss and maximize your profits. So if you have a smaller account and you have a tighter risk tolerance, then this is extremely important for you. If you don't have as tight of a risk tolerance, then perhaps you might be able to get away with a couple of ask slaps here or there. But again, you know, always look to try to find support first, unless there's some sort of crazy astronomical catalyst out there that you really just got to get into this stock no matter what, because it's going to leave the station without you. If you got something out of that today, if you would do me a favor, if you're joining my channel for the first time, please subscribe to get more quality content such as this, and smash that like button too. It shows me such a great, tremendous amount of support, and I would appreciate the like from you. Also, again, if you are interested in checking out my platform and the community that me and my partner have created, it's called WeTradeHQ.com. The links are in the description below for you to join. It's absolutely free. We just wanted to create a welcoming environment for folks to learn and grow and change their lives for the better. So that's all I've got for you guys today. As always, I will see you all before the bell, and B Smith is out.